Have you ever had the Apple Genius Bar tell you a repair would be egregiously expensive? Have you ever wondered if you could do it yourself? I was told that the repair on my 27 MacBook Pro would be $700. I understand, it's basically a lemon, but I wasn't going to pay a laptop's price just to do a simple swap. So I got a repair kit from IFixIt and decided to do it myself. So here's everything. We got rings on. Gotta take them off. Okay. Oh, nice clip. To the side, not. Oh, there it is. Oh, whoa, that is dusty. So we got the tweezers. So that's lifted up. Oh, wait, I kind of like these. These kind of look good. Okay. Always use protection. Shit, it's so good because it's full of adhesive. It's crazy to think that Apple makes it this difficult to do a simple repair. Time to install this. I am ready. I have been through hell and back. Good luck. And after all that struggle, it wasn't turning on. I left it for a bit though, and it was okay. My laptop still looks rough, but it works good now. And that has made all the difference. Godspeed.